Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL 106 in brass, solid brass fixture. You're going to get a 18-2 direct burial cord. You'll also have a standard 20-watt halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. You'll also get a heavy-duty ground spike. So to gain access to place the bulb inside of the fixture, simply hold the back of the fixture in the shroud while twisting off, and you'll gain access to the inside of the fixture. Now placing the bulb firmly into the socket of the fixture, and now back into the fixture, take the shroud, place it back on with a twisting motion, and now putting the 18-2 direct burial cord through the fixture. And onto the fixture.